Bismillah, Pakistan. Summer is here, and that means one thing. Mango season. Now listen, in the United States, we love mangoes. We import them, we eat them, but nothing, and I mean nothing, compares to Pakistani mangoes. You know, India might be the largest mango producer in the world, but Pakistan makes the best mangoes on earth. I've tried mangoes from everywhere, Mexico, Brazil, India, but that chaunsa from Pakistan, incredible, juicy, legendary. It's not just a fruit, it's an experience. One bite, and you feel like you're in Multan or Rahim Yar Khan, under the sun, smiling. So now I ask you, Pakistan, when are you inviting me? I'm serious. Let's sit down together, dal shawal, and of course a giant plate of chilled chaunsa mangoes. Drop your mango party invitations in the comments. Jazakallah, Pakistan. Your mangoes have won my heart.